For our project, we were approached by the Duke Garden staff, and they asked us to create an educational display for the Moss Garden. This challenge was given to us because the Moss Garden often goes unnoticed and unappreciated. Visitors to the Moss Garden are also likely to harm the existing moss in the garden when they don't know how to safely interact with it. We ultimately concluded that we wanted to create a display with educational, interactive, and observational components.
Our final design has a 3-foot by 3-foot cube plywood base center with a top shelf that provides some depth for moss to be displayed. Two sides of the base have smaller shelves with dimensions of 8 by 24 inches. They also have a lower top so the moss can be showcased. In order for the display to be interactive for all users, it should provide for different heights and ages. The lower shelves allow younger users to be able to interact with the moss. We used a skin and bones method to create the base with 2x4s on the inside. We drilled 2-inch screws into these planks and our pieces to make the base sturdy and durable. All shelves have small holes drilled into them that are used for water drainage and to prevent the pooling of water. The drainage holes were placed to make maintenance of the display easier for the staff.
Extending out of the center of the cube is a metal pole with a diameter of 1 inch that rotates with acrylic panels containing educational information on them. The panels were attached to the pole using 1.5-inch metal clamps. Felt was placed inside these clamps in order to increase friction so that the panels are securely attached to the pole. On top of the pole is a 1-inch PVC cap so that rain/snow won't enter the pole from the top. The team decided on a spinning display over traditional display because the spinning display allows users to interact more and pique their interest. We made sure to size the acrylic panels, which are 12 inches by 24 inches, in order to ensure the safety of users while they interact with the moss.
Users are able to interact with the display by spinning the acrylic panels. They also can use the attached magnifying glasses to view the moss up close and the spray bottles to interact with specific species of moss. With the side shelf extensions, users of various heights are able to comfortably use the display. In total, the dimensions of our display include a length of 3 feet, a width of 4 feet 4 inches, and a height of 6 feet.
Our final design meets all of our set design criteria of safety, durability, ease of use, ease of maintenance, aesthetics, size, cost, and immersivity. We conducted testing that proved this. We poured water to ensure that it drained properly and didn't pool in the center. We measured the size and followed a strict budget. To test for durability, we made sure that the display would not fall over or break when pushed. Lastly, we tested immersivity and ease of use by rotating the panels at varying speeds. If we had more time to improve this prototype, we would have used clamps that fit the pole better and laminated the sheets for the acrylic panels. Looking to the future, the Moss Garden staff will use our design as a jumping point for the creation of the final display that will be placed in the gardens. For the garden display, they will use higher fidelity materials like cedar wood and an outdoor stain. We look forward to being in contact with the gardens as they continue the building process.